Hey everyone, welcome back. If your car is shaking or vibrating while you're stopped at a light, maybe the steering wheel is buzzing, or the whole car feels like it's trembling, but it seems fine while you're driving, you're in the right place. There are a lot of possible reasons this can happen, but today I'm going to walk you through the most common causes and how to check or fix them yourself. I'll also touch on a few less common issues so you know when it's time to take it to a mechanic. 1. Check for a check engine light first. If your check engine light is on, start there. Grab a cheap code reader or head to your local auto parts store. They'll usually read the codes for free. Those codes can point you directly to the problem. If there's no check engine light, you'll need to do some basic troubleshooting yourself. 2. Common causes of car shaking at idle. The four most common culprits are worn motor mounts, bad or dirty spark plugs, air system problems, vacuum leaks, dirty throttle body, etc. Fuel system issues, dirty injectors, clogged lines, etc. I'll go through each one step by step. Motor mounts. Your engine is held in place by rubber motor mounts that absorb vibration. When they wear out, they stop isolating the engine movement, and that vibration transfers to the whole car. Quick test. 1. Pop the hood. 2. Have someone start the car and put it in gear while holding the brake. 3. Watch the engine. It should barely move. If it rocks back and forth a lot, your mounts are probably worn. What to look for? Cracked or missing rubber in the mount. Metal-on-metal contact. Excessive engine movement. Most cars have 3 to 4 mounts, usually one on each side of the engine. One in the front, and sometimes one for the transmission. If one fails, it puts more stress on the others. So if you're replacing one, check the rest. Keep in mind, mount bolts are big and tight. You'll need a breaker bar and proper tools if you're doing this yourself. Spark plugs. Bad spark plugs can cause a rough idle because they're not burning fuel efficiently. When you pull them out, look for oil contamination, burned out or corroded electrodes, wrong gap size. Even if they look okay, if you don't know when they were last replaced, it's a cheap and easy fix. Most cars have a recommended spark plug change interval. Check your manual. Air system. Your engine needs the right mix of air and fuel to run smoothly. If extra air gets in or the system is dirty, it can cause rough idle. Common problems. Vacuum leaks, cracked or collapsed hoses, loose fittings, bad gaskets. Dirty throttle body, carbon buildup around the throttle plate. Dirty mass airflow, MAF, sensor, can mess up air/fuel calculations. How to find vacuum leaks. Look and feel for cracked hoses. Listen for a hissing sound while the engine runs. Spray carb cleaner around suspected areas. If the idle changes, you found a leak. Cleaning tips. Use throttle body cleaner to clean inside the throttle body. But don't force the butterfly plate open on electronic throttle bodies. Use MEF sensor cleaner, not carb cleaner, on your MEF sensor. Check and replace your air filter if it's clogged. Fuel system. Over time, fuel injectors and valves can get gummed up by bad gas or ethanol buildup. Easiest fix. Add a quality fuel system cleaner to your gas tank. It may take a tank or two before you see results. If that doesn't work, deeper cleaning may be needed, like removing and cleaning injectors or running a more aggressive intake cleaner. Other possible issues. If none of those fix the problem, there are a few less common causes. Loose or damaged belts, timing or accessory belts, bad tensioner, bad harmonic balancer, rubber inside the crankshaft pulley breaks down, transmission or torque converter issues, burnt valves or internal engine problems, ECU or computer problems. Those last ones usually require a mechanic to diagnose properly. When to see a mechanic. If you've checked motor mounts, spark plugs, air system, fuel system, and the vibration is still there, it's time to take it in. Some issues just can't be diagnosed without specialty tools. I hope this walkthrough helps you figure out why your car is shaking at idle. Thanks for watching.